Do you have HP laser or Canon laser printer and printer is creating noise like this, grinding noise? How to fix it? Just watch this video. Open the top cover and move the tuner. Okay, you have to lift this up with the help of flat screwdriver. Lift it up and try to find something down over here. Maybe something stuck over here or here. Something fallen over here. I have to remove it with the help of tweezer. Pull back this fallen object, pull back it out and place back the toner. Now you will not hear voice. Problem is resolved. If you have any other question regarding this HP printer or Canon laser printer, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply. Thank you for watching. All the best.